amazing people. Welcome to Adwoa's amazing world. And today I'm here with Mr. Giraffe and his friend. Hello, Mr. Giraffe.
Hello, amazing people!
Hello!
In today's video, we are going to share with you how to prepare oil from avocado seeds and skin. Avocado seeds are packed with antioxidants. They contain more than 70% of the antioxidants found in the whole fruit.
This helps to reduce the visible signs of aging as well as rejuvenate the tone and condition of skin tissue.
Avocado seeds also contain nourishing oils which help to smoothen wrinkles.
When applied topically, oil prepared from avocado seed and skin has many cosmetic benefits. It can moisturize and nourish the skin. It can promote collagen synthesis, and it can help treat scalp dryness and flakiness. Now to the recipe. You can use as many ripe avocado seeds and skin as you want. For the purpose of this video, we will use 4 ripe avocados and 3 ripe avocados in subsequent days. We will use a carrier oil. Carrier oils are used to dilute essential oils and carry them to your skin. You can use coconut oil, almond oil, or any oil of your choice. In this video, we will use almond oil.
We will place our avocados on a cutting board. We will cut each avocado in half lengthwise around the seed. For each avocado, we will twist the halves apart and lift the seed out with the spoon. We will need only the seeds and skin for our avocado oil. You can go ahead and enjoy the fruit.
You may not have enough avocado seeds and skin at a time. As you eat more avocados in subsequent days, continue to add to the seeds and skin that you have until you have enough.
We will dry the seeds and the skin in the sun. You can find a place inside your house to dry them if you don't have enough sunlight where you are. Oh, look at that! The seeds and the skin are completely dry. The number of days it takes for yours to dry may be different. We will go ahead and crush the dried skin into small pieces. Then we will remove the covering of the seeds. Kindly watch out for seeds with dark spots. You can use a knife to cut the dark spots off.
Good seeds that we will use for the oil will look like this. We will chop the seeds into tiny pieces. See what we have now. and chopped seeds into a bowl. We will use almond oil as our carrier oil. You can use coconut oil or any carrier oil of your choice. We will pour enough almond oil into the bowl containing the avocado seeds and skin mixture. We will stir the mixture to make sure every part of it is completely submerged in the oil.
We will cover the bowl and set it aside for days or even weeks. We are going to let ours sit for 6 weeks. Look at what we have after 6 weeks and 2 days. We will gently stir the mixture. We will get a clean bowl and a sieve. We will pour our mixture through the sieve into the clean bowl. Look at what we have. We will let the mixture sit for some minutes. We will get another clean bowl and a clean white cotton cloth.
Using the cotton cloth as a sieve, we will pour the mixture through it into the clean bowl.
Voila! Our avocado seed and skin oil is ready for use.
Never discard your avocado seed and skin again.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Please do subscribe if you've not done so already. And watch out for my next video. Until we come your way next time, always remember
That you